The practical video will decompile the Android APK application using the APK tool and analyze various sensitive files. Open your command terminal and type APKTool dash and the path to the Android APK application file. This tool will take a few seconds to decompile. After the tool is finished with its decompilation, it creates a new folder containing the decompiled format of the application. Open the decompiled folder. Open the AndroidManifest file and using the editor of your choice. As you can see that it contains metadata, package name and permission used by Android application. Now open the directory named res. From here you can extensively search for sensitive clear text data inside strings.xml files. Strings.xml files from the values directory such as API keys or encoded passwords.